actually. Achmans to the mouth, I forgot. Had contained reflection of Hari's lotus face. Oh, that's very interesting. That now makes it more interesting. This is achman. Achman you offer to the mouth is some long or nutmeg or jatifal. Jatifal or long, crushed into powder, right? Jatifal, long. Cloves or nutmeg, jatifal. Jaifal. Jaifal or long. Make a powder karke and some pani. So this was being offered, idam achamaniyam, to Radharani's mouth, like a mouth freshener. And the reflection of Krishna's face was in that water. So what does that mean? Chumbak. You know chumbak? That water that Uma was offering to Krishna's face was actually to Radharani's face, was Krishna's face, offered to Radha's face, which means Ananda Kanda Bhagavan ki Jai Jai Shri Radhe Sham. Now how did Radharani respond to Achmaniyam? What was her response? With trembling lips. That proves the point, right? That Achaman that's being offered by Uma is Krishna Adhar. It's Krishna's Adhar, his lips. And Krishna Adhar Amrit. Adhar means lips, Adhar. And Amrit means the nectar of his lips. So when Krishna kisses Radharani, with trembling lips, Radha uttered cries of ecstasy. It is a fact that when a person has a great desire for an object, anything related to it gives joy.